Every single person in marketing, every writer, every business owner, we all face the same problem, right? How do you get someone to stop and pay attention? Well, it really all boils down to one thing: finding the perfect angle, that perfect hook. Today, we're going to walk through a really simple but incredibly powerful AI-driven process that cracks this exact problem. The legendary copywriter Frank Kern just hits the nail on the head here. It's not just about what you're selling, it's about how you frame it. You find that one big idea, that one perfect hook. And honestly, the rest of the marketing just kind of falls into place. It makes everything else so much easier.
So here's the game plan for today. We're going to start with the messy stuff, the raw material. Then we'll use AI to find that one killer idea, supercharge it with some hard data, and then from there, build out the entire piece of marketing from the ground up. Let's get into it.
Okay, so step one. And this part is, honestly, it's the most counterintuitive part of the whole process. Your first instinct might be to write some clever, perfect prompt for the AI. But that's not what we're going to do. Instead, we're going to overwhelm it with raw, completely unfiltered information.
This is what we call a brain dump. And here's the secret sauce. Use your voice or a transcript of you just talking. Why? Well, think about it. When we type, our brains automatically start editing. We clean things up, we make it sound right. But speaking bypasses that filter. It gives the AI all the raw, authentic, messy stuff, which is where the best ideas are hiding.
And the process itself? It could not be any simpler. In the example we're looking at, the raw data was just the entire transcript from a YouTube video. You literally just copy it, paste it straight into the AI tool, and boom, you're ready for the magic to start.
All right, we've fed the machine. Now it's time for the really exciting part, turning that giant wall of text into a single, powerful idea. This is where we go from pure chaos to crystal clarity. So, we've just dumped this sea of information onto the AI. The big question is, how on earth does it find the needle in the haystack? That one perfect angle that's actually going to grab someone's attention.
Well, get this. From that one single transcript, the AI generated 510 different unique benefits and potential angles. I mean, think about that. It did all the heavy lifting of brainstorming for us on a scale that would take a human being hours, if not days.
But let's be real, nobody's got time to read through 510 ideas. So here's the trick, and it's brilliant. You ask the AI to become its own editor. With one super simple prompt, you just ask it to show you the coolest hooks it found. You make it curate its own list for you. And this is the kind of gold it digs up. Look at that hook. It's specific, it's got a number, and it creates this insane amount of curiosity. You can't help but want to know what the word is, right? This little gem was buried deep inside that original transcript, and the AI just plucked it right out. Okay, so a great hook is one thing, but a great hook backed up by a killer, undeniable number, that's a whole other level. This step is all about supercharging that idea we just found.
We already have a fantastic, curiosity-driven angle. It's really good. But the question now is, how do we make it absolutely, positively irresistible?
The answer is data. We're going to use the AI again, but this time not for creative ideas, but as our own personal, real-time research assistant. We're going to ask it to find a statistic that adds some serious weight and credibility to our hook. And here's what it found. The AI went out and discovered that the book mentioned in that original video had generated over $22 million in revenue. All of a sudden, our cool little idea isn't just cool anymore. It's a massively powerful, proven multi-million-dollar hook. All right, let's take stock. We've got our hook. It's backed by a monster of a number. Now it's time to build the entire piece of marketing copy around this powerful, central idea. So this last phase, we can break it down into 3 simple commands. First, we get a structure. We just ask for an outline. Then, we have the AI flesh out that outline into a full rough draft. But that final step, refining the tone, that's where the real magic happens.
And this is so crucial. The first draft the AI gives you is just a starting point. To get something truly great, you have to guide its tone. This prompt here asks for a hardcore direct response style, which is just a specific marketing voice that's all about getting an immediate reaction from the reader. It's aggressive, it's curiosity-driven, and it works. I mean, just look at the difference one little refinement prompt can make. The first headline is good. It's fine. But the second one, it's magnetic. It takes our core hook, smashes it together with that massive number we found, and creates something that is just so much more powerful and intriguing.
Now for the final piece of the puzzle, consistency. We take that winning headline we just created and we tell the AI, okay, now rewrite the entire sales letter to match this exact tone and style. This makes sure the whole document from start to finish feels cohesive and just as powerful as the headline.
So, let's do a quick recap of this whole 4-step process. Step 1, you start with a raw brain dump. Step 2, you let the AI uncover the hook for you. Step 3, you use it again to find some powerful data. And finally, step 4, you build the copy by outlining, drafting, and most importantly, refine it.
So, what are the big lessons here? First, remember, messy, raw data is your best friend. Don't try to be perfect. Second, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Let it come up with hundreds of ideas so you can focus on the big picture. Third, use its research skills to add some serious firepower to your ideas. And last, nail the headline first. Get that tone perfect, and then make the rest of the copy match its energy. When you step back, the final result is pretty staggering. A simple transcript from one video was turned into a complete, 13-page, data-driven sales letter. And it was all built around a multi-million-dollar hook without a single word ever being typed.
And that really just leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? This process, it isn't just about writing copy. It's about uncovering hidden value. So it really makes you wonder, if AI can find a $22 million hook hiding in a simple transcript, what kind of powerful, game-changing angles are just sitting there, dormant, inside your own ideas, just waiting for you to ask the right questions?